Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am at home and I want to show you how to cook beans which we are going to eat with ugali. So these are the beans, but before we cook the beans I want us to cook ugali, the accompaniment of the beans, so that we can cook the beans later. So guys, come with me as we cook ugali. This is what we use to cook ugali to start before we go to the cooking step. This is called kuruet. I don't know the name in English, but now let's start cooking the ugali together. So this is what we use to remove the unga from the pot, like this, and then we add like this. Come closer, come closer. So this is used like this. It makes the unga to be fine and to mix well with water. You can see it's becoming fine. So that's how we use this thing. So guys, as you cook ugali, the fire should be burning properly. So now the ugali is getting thick and you want to change from this purwet to the real cooking stick, which is this one. Now you are going to change like this because it's now thick. This one can no longer cook now. As we add unga slowly by slowly, this is the flour which is made of maize or corns, dry corns. We call it unga in Kiswahili, but in English it's flour, maize flour. We cook like this slowly until our ugali gets ready. Okay, now our ugali is thick and it's almost cooked. So now I always cover my ugali after cooking it until it's almost ready. I cover it for some 5 to 7 minutes for it to cook well before I finally get it out of the fire. So let's leave it to cook for some 7 minutes. We are going to cover it like this and leave it for 7 minutes before we finally get it out. Now our ugali is ready and we want to get it out of the fire. So you can see it's now cooked. I wish you could smell it. It's really tasty. So these are the plates which we use. This one is the cover, this one is the bottom one. We have 3 of them here. So let's now remove it from the fire. This is our African way of doing our ugali. I don't know in other places what to do. You can tell us down below in the comment section what you do in your home, how ugali is being done in your place. So this is how we do in Kenya, Africa, Kenya. This one is going to be for tomorrow. It's meant for tomorrow to be eaten with tea. So we are going to put it here, and then we cover it using this sprayer like this. So now, guys, let's go to the beans, our main agenda today. So this is the sufuria which we are going to use for cooking, and this is the beans, and then now this is the lid for that one. So now when you want to make beans to be eaten with ugali, you do not cook when they are like this. You have to pound it here. You pound it until it's really soft. You do it like this using a cup, a clean cup, like this. And remember, these beans have been cooked with salt, so there's no need of us adding salt here. So it'll bound like this until they're really soft. So now we've already bound it. We are going to cook it. The ingredients are the beans themselves. We have milk here. We have tomatoes, a few. It doesn't need more. And then we have the green, what do we call this? Onions. And then you have the cooking fat as usual, my chipsy. So guys, let's cook now. We are going to start with the chips. Like this. And then we have the onions here. They're the green onions. And then now we had the tomatoes, and then we wait for this to cook for some few minutes because the fire is too much. Now our ingredients here is ready. So we are going to add the beans themselves. So you can see it has already been pounded like this. So now let's add to the fire. Now we will mix it with the onions and the cooking fat so that it well mixed before we add our milk. And then we leave it for some 2 minutes for it to mix well with the cooking oil before we add our milk. Now let's mix it with it has now mixed up. It's now well mixed up with the onions, the tomatoes, and the cooking fat. So now we are going to add our milk like this, and then we mix them again. You can see the green onions gives it the good taste and color also. But if you have a Royco cubes, you can add, but if you don't have, it's still tasty because it has milk. So guys, try this. It's really yummy, 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 yummy. So now let's wait for it to cook before we finally serve our food, man. Okay, now. So guys, our food is ready. You can see the ugali there and another one there. And this is our maragweds, the beans, which are now cooking like no other day. You can see how delicious they are. The smoke is disturbing me a little bit, but it's okay. So you can see, guys, this is how we make beans and then we eat with ugali. So now I want to serve my children. They are here waiting, eagerly waiting for the food. Now let's serve them, guys. Okay, now guys, we are going to get this out of the fire and then we are going to serve it. You can see how delicious it looks like. Oh guys, now this is how we serve it. Now guys, as I said, it's going to be served with ugali, and this is our ugali here. So I'm going to serve like this. So guys, this is our delicious food. It's ugali and beans. You can see the children are all salivating. They want to eat it. This is the beans before we put ugali. So guys, enjoy my videos and continue watching. And please guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time. Bye bye guys.